friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Sheh and this channel is all about home style, decor, etc. It was a cozy rainy day in the summer season. I just had some time to give a refresh to our kitchen space. While enjoying the warm cup of black tea, I thought to clean the kitchen, to organize a bit and to give a clean look. It's not actually predicting a season, it could use throughout the entire year. Alright friends, this is the kitchen how it looks before placing all the decorations. This was how it looked when we moved into the new apartment. Obviously you can see the artwork of my lovely son on the wall, but without erasing it, I wanted to add a floating shelf in the kitchen for some extra storage. I will add the link to my IKEA shopping video where I also purchased the floating shelf for our kitchen. The screws and the dowels we had to purchase extra, but I already had in hand the home, and obviously I needed the support of my lovable husband to fix this floating shelf on the wall. I really like the light wood tone of our floating shelf. This is how it looks. Now it's time to store some of my essential things. Yeah, this is a storage box for the tea bags. We drink a lot of tea at home because I'm originally from Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka we drink tea mostly 2 times a day. To give some greenery effect, I purchased this artificial small potted plant in Woolworth, and I use this mortar and pestle often for my Sri Lankan kitchen. So I thought of placing it on the floating shelf, so it's super handy and practical. Then I thought of adding some essentials items I use almost every day in these 4 glass canisters. 2 of them I bought it in IKEA and the other 2 I bought it in Woolworth. Basil leaves we often use for our pasta recipes and some western dishes, so I thought also to add it here for practical purpose. And of course I listen to a lot of worship music during my cooking and cleaning, so Alexa is super practical and handy. Under the floating shelf there is the plug. I wanted to hide it with the cutting boards I have in hand. And also we store the eggs outside, so I had this beautiful basket I purchased a couple of years ago, so I thought it's nice to display on the countertop. For the window, I have this wreath already in my hand. I DIY'd, so I thought it to add on the window to give a visual interest. And to the other side of the kitchen there is also another plug point, so I thought of hiding it also with a cutting board. And in between the cooking top and the sink I have this jug. It's super practical to use water for my cooking. This little corner was already arranged in our kitchen. One thing I added is this recipe book. And there is the water cooker, and to give some visual interest I added this small greenery, and all this utensil crock is also there, and I placed it everything on a tray so that to arrange it as a group. Friends, as the last step for our kitchen makeover, I purchased this rug from Amazon. I picked this color so that it hides the dirt really well, and I thought it would perfectly fit our kitchen because there are a lot of cool tones going on. So to break it, to bring a warmth to the floor, I added this rug.